Today I will share how to make this type of grid overlay effect in Canva for portraits. So let's start with it. So I have chosen this image in pixels and we will download it for free from here. Just click on it and the link of this picture will be in the description, so you can also download it. And after that I have opened 4 by 5 Instagram post size or the canvas size in Canva, and after that I will just upload the picture, okay, and make it to the same size as the canvas, okay, and I will move it slightly upward like this, okay. And after that I will click on share, click on download and make sure it is in PNG and click on download. So I am downloading it because when I will make the changes it is easier to work if you have a same size and the same portrait size. So let's start with it. So I will click on add page and I will just re-upload the image which I just downloaded, and I will make it to the same size of the canvas. Okay, now I will go to elements here and scroll down to find frames, and here write abstract and choose this one, okay, and just decrease the transparency and check where the portrait face is coming. So portrait face is coming here, so I will just keep it here, make it slightly bigger, okay, and after that make it 100% transparent, and after that duplicate the image and paste it in the frame. After that make it to the same size as the canvas, okay, and adjust it by using the mouse. And as you can see, when the effect is done the frame is not visible. So to make it visible, after that click on R and here click on this color, change it to black, okay, and just cover the frame, cover the whole frame, and after that decrease the transparency like this, okay, and after that right click it, go to layer, show layers, and just move it behind the image, okay, and after that just select this image and right click it and duplicate it again, bring it here, just hold on to control so that it doesn't blend with the main frame, and after that click on BG remover. So as you can see, a pop-out effect is also here. So like this you can make easily a grid overlay effect portrait design in Canva. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you have learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.